Hey guys, my name is Shastak and welcome to today's video where I'll be talking about my experience during the OnePlus 7 launch that took place Friday last week. One of the main reasons why I went to the event was to go and see Mrwhosetheboss as well as the OnePlus 7 Pro and have a hands-on experience with it. I had a really fantastic time there by experiencing the OnePlus 7, talking to the PR executive, I think it was, of OnePlus 7 Pro, who also did a Q&A with Mrwhosetheboss. But more on the OnePlus 7 Pro later. I just want to firstly praise Mrwhosetheboss for being an absolute amazing person by answering my questions, just being an all-round friendly person. He's not just an amazing YouTuber, but his YouTube reflects who he is in person. So when you see him talk calmly and with a soft voice and everything, that's who he is in person. You see a lot of YouTubers out there nowadays where they change themselves on YouTube, but when you see them in person or when you are a family or friend member, they're a completely different person. But that's not the case with Aaron. Aaron is an amazing person. He's an amazing guy. He's the type of guy you could talk to for about 10 hours and you wouldn't get bored. I sort of feel for him because he had to endure me talking for about 5 minutes asking some questions. But the overall message of this is that Aaron is just an amazing person. I spoke with him, asked questions in both the Q&A and in person, had a photo with him as well, which was nice. And this was my first time meeting a high-profile YouTuber, so I didn't really fanboy or anything. I just took it calmly, took it lightly. And it was just an amazing day. All in all, it was an amazing day. And meeting Aaron just topped that off. I just like Aaron. I love his videos. And I wish I could see him sometime in the future again. Maybe one day when I hit 1 million subscribers, I could do a collab with him. But no, I'm just joking. He is an amazing person. I loved Friday. I loved the whole event, talking to him. And he's just an amazing person. That's all I can say. He's just an amazing person. And his character reflects his videos reflect him in person, and that's what you like when it comes to YouTube, when it comes to videos. You want somebody to reflect themselves in that video, their true selves, and see them in person. Now, as with the OnePlus 7 Pro launch, I went and I experienced the OnePlus 7 Pro. I'm going to release a review of that in a couple of days time, so make sure you are subscribed for that. But the OnePlus 7 was a really amazing phone. I was really jealous that I didn't have the phone. I didn't go there to buy it, and I'm really upset that Samsung isn't doing the same, but I can definitely see why they wouldn't. Although the OnePlus 7 Pro is going to be a game changer. It's an absolute game changer because it literally has no notches, no bells and no whistles, and not a $2,000 price tag like they say. It just came in around $650, which is considerably cheaper than the S10. If I wasn't in Samsung's ecosystem, I would definitely buy the Galaxy. No, I wouldn't buy the Galaxy. I would buy the OnePlus 7 Pro. I definitely buy the OnePlus 7 Pro. But for now, I'm going to stick with my guns with Samsung, because I think there are better things coming with camera on the display and things like that. So this was just a video of me just praising Aaron, praising Mrwhosetheboss, because his videos reflect him and he was just an amazing guy to talk to. I just want to say a thank you to him for answering my questions, for taking time out, and for the picture. I really do appreciate it. Hopefully one day in the future I could also go and see him again and maybe collab with him. But for now, I just want to say for him to keep up the great work, keep up the great videos, because he's doing an amazing job. I love his videos. So many people love his videos, and I'll be honest with you, he deserves more than those 2 million subscribers he's got. He definitely deserves more. Like, he told me that it takes around 20 hours for him to edit the videos and record. 20 hours. Like, this video that I'm doing will probably take me at least half an hour to edit everything and to record. But for him to spend 20 hours in total, that's nearly a day of just editing and recording. That's amazing. That's really amazing. But at the same time, he's producing quality content. And that's what's amazing. So thank you, Aaron, for your time. Thank you for being who you are and for your videos, because I know a lot of people appreciate them. I appreciate you. I appreciate everything you do, who you are, and for your time. it really does mean a lot. So that was just my little short video praising Aaron, and just a little insight as to what happened with the OnePlus 7 Pro launch that I went to last week. But make sure you are subscribed so that you see my review of that and more information. Thank you guys for watching, and if Aaron, you watched this, thank you once again. This probably isn't one of my best videos that I've made. I'm in a rush right now, so it's not going to be the best video I've made, but it's just a video nevertheless, because making a video is better than making nothing, and quality always comes over quantity. Thank you guys for watching. I've been Mr. Oh my gosh, did I really just... Was I just about to say I was Mr. Who's the Boss? Okay. Thank you guys for watching. I've been Shaz. I'll see you in the next one. I need a breather. Thank you again. See you next time.